Hello everyone. So I tried today to run a Terraform plan that was working last week, and I encountered an issue. I just want to show you. So Terraform plan. So I got this error when I wanted to check the Terraform, if Terraform is working in my environment, at least for this project, and I got this this error, TLS Unrecognized name, and yeah, I wanted to share this error because I found out what the issue was. So it is a DNS related issue. Even if the error doesn't give you any hint, so you would think that something is wrong with the API client, but it's not an issue there. Today I started my Ansible, not my Ansible, my Linux VM here, this one on which I have installed Terraform. So it's on Fedora server, Fedora server 42, and I got this error. As I was saying, I started the Linux machine before I started my DNS server, so which is on my domain controller. Nevertheless, my DNS server was not available, and let's try to do a little bit of troubleshoot before we can continue. So because this is a DNS issue, first thing that we should do is we should check the status of the resolver. So that is resolve CTL, come on, resolve CTL, that's it, resolve CTL status. Okay, and as you can see, I have my domain is correctly configured. Nevertheless, I have two DNS servers. So this is the internal DNS server in my private network, and this is the IP of my router, and this one goes on the internet. And currently, the current DNS server is my router, and this is the problem, because if we do so for example, my DDC, because I wanted to execute that Terraform plan against Citrix farm. So if I go ping DDC test lab.com, I will get a strange IP. So that is an IP from the internet. It's not my internal. Network. As you can see here is AYS. So we clearly have an issue. We can also use the dig tool. This is very useful to troubleshoot DNS problems, and we can go dig and ddc 01.testlab.com, and we will get a list of all the entries that it found, internal and external, but because the internal DNS was not up when my Linux VM started, it is ignored and it only interrogates the external DNS, and we can see that it found, and this is very interesting for me because I can see that DDC 0 exactly the exact naming convention exists out there in the public. Yeah, nevertheless, it doesn't matter. But yeah, it's nice to see this, and we can furthermore troubleshoot this if we go with a trace, and then we will see exactly which DNS server resolved our query, and in our case is this one, the last one, and this one gave us the results. As you can see, there are multiple DNS servers interrogated, but only this one resolved our query. So yeah, this is the dig tool is a nice tool. Now what we can also check on our Linux, we can check the status of our DNS resolver, and that we can do with systemctl. It's called, how is it called? Systemd resolver. Systemd resolver. Okay, resolver service. Okay, so the service is up and running. Nevertheless, it doesn't go and check our internal DNS server. I also tried to flush it, but it did not work. And now I will try to restart it. So let's try sudo systemctl sysctl. How is it? Restart, start, and systemd resolver service. Okay, let's try it like this. Let's see if a simple restart of the service will help us. Yeah, first thing, we can do a ping bdc 01 test.com. Okay, now this looks much better. So this is the actual IP. Now let's also try the Terraform again, the Terraform plan, and now we shouldn't have any issues at all. Yep. So this was the problem. It was a DNS issue, and one more time, my DNS server was not available when I started my Linux machine, and this caused the issue. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you liked this type of video.